Eesh, Nicholas, back in the house, back in the house. Now, you know, I love my 3D printer. It's great. But this, what you'll see on the screen now, is how the general public view how they work. This fast. Unfortunately, they don't work this fast. Otherwise, I'll be going through filament like there's no tomorrow. So, I've sped this up. So, this is not the speed for you general public. No. Anyway. That's not so fast, is it? No, it's not so fast. But if you had the money, would you buy a 3D printer that printed this fast? Well, of course you would. No, I'm sorry. This is not how it is in 3D printing. Now, I just thought I'd do this video to show you how actually slow it is, okay? So anyway, this is quite a complex part and it takes around about 3.5 to 4 hours to print completely. But it is really, really hard and sturdy. Okay. Well, that's a bit slower. I hear you all cry. Yeah. But that's okay, isn't it? Well, unfortunately, guys, your sub £600 printer will normally not work this fast. Okay. Some of the newer ones may do for certain parts, but not for complex parts that I'm printing here, which has loads of infill, which means lots of plastic in between. Okay. They don't print this fast. I wish it would. I really, really, really wish it would, but it doesn't. Remember, we're printing PLA here, so it's nice and eco-friendly, yeah, but not as fast. So I hear you cry, well, what's the point of 3D printing? Number 1, it's great. Number 2, it's great. Number 3, I can print whatever I can imagine in my head. So here we go. This is how fast this printer is. This fast. Which is quite reasonable, which is why this particular part takes so long to print, okay? I can actually print a big model in 45 minutes, rather large model. Remember, my printer's enclosed this one, the other one I've lent to my school until July, so they can get used to a 3D printer because they're quite cheap. But this is the speed a 3D printer works at, okay? So if you're thinking of getting into 3D printing, don't expect things to go really, 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 really fast. It takes time, okay? It takes time to do everything. If you want to print some trolley coins, for instance, I can actually print 20 trolley coins on my bed here in around about an hour, which isn't too bad. But once you start getting to complicated parts or models, this is where it gets time consuming. But I would still recommend you get a 3D printer, because you'll have so much fun and learn so much stuff. So yeah, this is the real speed of a 3D printer. Yeah, the real speed. Sneaky Linux out. I'll see you later. Bye bye.